This is a $120 fake iPhone 16 Pro Max straight from China, and this thing is so similar to the original iPhone that you cannot tell a difference without a proper investigation. So here's the box package, and I bet you guys cannot tell which one is real and which one is fake. So on the left side we have the fake one and the right one is real. Looks exactly like the original packaging. There's this engraved iPhone frame on both fake and original, not in a single difference guys. Same iPhone branding in gold color on both the sides. The backside text is quite different cause contains Chinese text in the fake one. I have no idea, maybe that's the original packaging Apple sells in China, so could be a real box, but other than that there's not in a single difference guys. So it's unboxing it for the first time and here we go. Wow. This thing is so real, I just cannot believe how close it looks in comparison to the real one. Some cameras are definitely fake, can't tell that for sure. So it's time to boot this thing up, and you guys can see I have this original iPhone on right and this one in my hand is the fake one. This Apple logo in the boot animation which is just like the one in the real iPhone. The side looks identical, titanium look on both. This action key, volume rockers, SIM card tray slightly off. But shocking part is there's a camera control button on the right which I have no idea works or not, but this is just crazy guys. Okay, so there's no setup screen or something, maybe they sent it after setting it up. It uses iOS 18 wallpaper and not the one of iPhone 16 which is different, but I guess we can change that, so not a deal breaker. That dynamic island is slightly thicker than the original one, the bezels however look thin, but that bottom chin is a clear indicator that this is the fake one. The animations are quite choppy, like running on 30 Hz I guess. Testing out the action key and wow, this thing works so well, and there's also a setting to adjust the action key in the settings application. Similar UI like iOS 18. The volume key works and there's tiny iOS 18 details, like when pressing the volume key there's this animation on the side, and the movement you all were waiting for, camera control, wow, that works too. Definitely not as fast as the one in the real iPhone, but it works. The camera control is not touch sensitive, like you guys cannot zoom in and out using this, but it can be used to capture and open camera application. In the settings it says storage capacity is 512 gigs with iOS 18 fake icing on top, but device hardware says it's based on Android 7 and MediaTek chipset MT6753, which is a 9-year-old chip, and the real internal storage is just 16 gigs with 2 gigs of RAM. Damn. The animations are slow and choppy, but it's one-on-one with the real thing, that's for sure. In my next video, I'll compare both fake and real iPhones side by side, including a camera comparison, software comparison, and gaming test. We'll see if name drop AirShare works or not. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.